Hi, I'm Sandy. I'm Pearl. And I'm Stu, the good-looking one.
Hey, we're going to learn something about the air and climate change.
Oh boy.
So what? We don't breathe air.
Whoa, sounds like there's a problem.
Oh no!
The acidification problem doesn't sound so good. Looks like the air is getting warmer. I told you we don't breathe that. Oh no, the ocean's heating up too.
I thought it felt warmer lately.
Well, I have my head in the sand, so I don't care.
Wow, 99% of the air is just nitrogen and oxygen.
All this talk about air is giving me gas. What a bivalve. Sure is a bunch of stuff making up the rest of it.
Yeah, I wonder what it does.
I don't know, but that nitrous oxide sure makes me laugh when I go to the dentist.
Wow, the Earth is warming because of those greenhouse gases.
Looks like it is carbon dioxide and methane causing most of the problems. Hold on, I'm still laughing. That carbon dioxide sure has increased a lot.
Looks like something's out of control.
I have a cousin in Mauna Loa, Hawaii.
Oh, yeah, I noticed that jagged pattern.
They're talking about plants that grow on the land.
Our ocean plants don't contribute to that decrease because they get their carbon dioxide from the water.
When did you get so smart, Stu? I went to Shellfish University, I'll have you know.
Looks like more learning.
Oh no, I did all my education already.
If you had a brain, you might have learned something. So carbon dioxide can hold a lot of heat compared to other gases.
Yeah, and Stu holds more gas compared to other clams.
You're such a sea booger, Sandy.
I shake when I'm cold, not hot.
Geez, what a bivalve. We're talking solids here, not living things.
Oh, I get it. When it gets really hot, the gas molecules move around really fast.
I get moving really fast when I see someone coming with a shovel. I guess they mean as opposed to shaking or some other movement.
You were right, Stu. That other movement is rotating on an axis.
Yeah, maybe going to college wasn't such a bad move after all. Hey, Sandy, they're saying I should think of you when I think of oxygen and nitrogen tumbling in space.
Very funny, Stu, but I'm no dumbbell.
Oh, here's another kind of movement. Scissors action.
Yeah, it's also kind of the same motion as when we open and close our shells. Oh, I get it. The more kinds of motion a molecule can make, the more heat it can hold. That's very insightful of you, Sandy.
For a sea booger. I think they're saying that infrared light is a kind of heat.
Yeah, it's like heat that isn't hot enough to make something glow. You are both so smart. So 99.95% of the atmospheric gases will not heat up from that infrared heat. Wow, Pearl, you are sharp as a tack.
Not bad for an overgrown barnacle.
Oh, but carbon dioxide will heat up from infrared heat.
Yeah, and other greenhouse gases too.
So I guess infrared heat helps to heat the land and water. So what heats the air, I wonder? Well, I guess that answers it. Some of the heat is transferred to the surrounding air. I was wondering why water wasn't in that chart of the major atmospheric gases. I guess water wasn't in the chart of gases because it's always changing depending on where you are.
Who cares? It's 100% where we live.
Are you sure? Looks like what this is saying is that what we live in is not 100% water. Yeah, looks like some of it is carbon dioxide. Oh no, I'm getting scared now. Our home is turning acidic.
Stop your worrying. It hasn't changed that much in 25 years. Oh, wait, that's not long in geologic terms.
Oh no, so it changes from carbon dioxide in the water to carbonic acid in the water. I'm gonna start crying. My babies have been dying and I didn't know why. Now I know.
Oh, phooey, you two just haven't been doing it right.
What would you know about that, Stu? You're a bachelor.
I wonder what this methane gas is gonna do to us. I'm starting to get angry. Oh, don't get your barnacles in a bunch. There isn't much of it compared to carbon dioxide.
Look, Stu, it holds 30 times as much heat as carbon dioxide. What are we gonna do, Sandy?
This is too much. I'm going back in my hole. Look, you two, we never go that deep, so we have nothing to worry about.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm not ready for the Barbie yet.
Ow, ow, ow! Help, Sandy, they're trying to cook us like that moth.
That was close. I thought I was done for. Nothing to worry about here unless the ocean heats up enough to start melting that stuff, and then we would have more of it heating the air, land, and water.
Oh, I knew it. Methane gas changes into more greenhouse gas and water.
We have enough of both, don't we, Pearl?
Oh, you two are such invertebrates. You have no spine.
Oh, geez, methane is increasing in the atmosphere too. There must be something we can do about it.
You two are such worry mollusks. See, it's good stuff, because without it, we'd be in the deep freeze.
Not as bad as being cooked alive on the Barbie.
Stop with the Aussie slang, Sandy. This is serious. I use slang to ask that you not use slang.
It's okay, Pearl. You're stressed out.
Well, that makes sense about how greenhouse gases keep our home warm enough to live in.
Looks like someone is trying to figure out how to fix things.
Well, what needs fixing?
Pull your head out of the sand, Stu. We have a real problem here that we all need to get behind.
Maybe the energy balance is like the way I keep spitting sand out of my hole so I can breathe some water.
Something like that, Stu.
I guess this has been going on for a long time and we didn't know it.
Yeah, it wasn't bad enough to know about until now that it's getting worse.
Enough of this. I'm gonna go bury my head in the sand again. I just found out that my ex-wife is having problems making babies, and when they do survive, they don't grow as fast. I knew it wasn't because we were doing it wrong. I'm so scared, Sandy.
I think it's a matter of getting everyone to understand what's going on so we can fix it. Won't you help us with this, Stu? We really need to fix this.
Hold on to your oysters. I'm stewing it over.
You are right, Pearl. One scenario is that some of that methane in the deep ocean could start melting.
I'm going to tell everyone that I know what is going on so that they can help spread the word. Help us, Stu. I'm done stewing it over and will pull my head out of the sand so I can help spread the word. Yeah, let's get out the vote to fix this.
We need to vote for the right candidates.
I think I'll vote for different candidates this time around. Hey, Sandy, did you ever watch The Wizard of Oz?
Yeah? Why?
Well, I've been wondering. The wizard gave the Tin Man a heart, the lion courage, the scarecrow a brain, and got Dorothy home. I wonder if the wizard could give us guts.
Oh, I would give just about anything to get some guts.
Let's go ask the creator if he could get us to the wizard. Oh, good idea, Pearl.
We're
off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We hear he is a wizard,